How to start page numbering from a specific page in Word. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get this done, go ahead and open your file, and then from here we're going to go ahead and proceed to the part where we want to start it. So say for example here we're going to go to page 3. Now here in page 3 I'm going to go ahead and basically just click this one right here, and then we're going to go ahead and click the layout. Now here in the layout we're going to insert a break, so go ahead and click this and then go ahead and click next page. So now that we have done that one, we can go ahead and click the insert, and we're going to start adding the numbers. So click page number, and then I'm going to choose to put it at the bottom of the page and do this one. Alright, as you can see, it is still page 3, but don't worry, we're going to fix that one. Go ahead and click this one right here while you are still highlighting this page 3. So click this, and then we're going to go ahead and choose format page numbers and click start at, and we're going to start at 1. Say for example, I'm going to hit OK, and you should see that now we have 1 here, but this is supposed to be page 3. And if we are going to scroll down, you can see that we have here page 2, which is supposed to be page 4. And that is how you are going to start page numbering from a specific page in Word.